Here's how to make great coffee without wasting a whole lot of time. Now you need to get to know your machine. I'm using the single shot thing for the portafilter, whatever they call this thing. I know that one flat spoon with no more than half is going to be just great for making a single shot. No need to weigh it. There we go. That's done. Puff that out. And I've got this right here, like this. So we just need to just do this like that. And that. That is that. Now the goal is not to waste any coffee. That's the best way. So I just have to put my thumb on there because I've had this thing fly off this this funnel. So you just need to get this fairly flat, and then you can even do this, and a tap like that is good too, and just a little bit more like that. Try and make it as flat as possible. Take this out, and without spilling any coffee, put the distributor on the top. Well, at least that's the goal. And well, didn't do as well that time as I do sometimes, but and then a goal also of mine is to try not to have anything on the top. So just do this. Yeah, it's not bad. And then put the rings on it so that the coffee will flow more freely. And if you got the right amount of coffee, this should be just a simple process like that. If you can see that. And without leaving anything on there. And then another step, which is I found is very important, is put this filter on top, because that helps to distribute the coffee. So I found that you can also just lift this off like that. So that lets the water flow over the top without getting all the coffee getting all messed up. So this is ready. I've had this turned on previously, and I'm just using a single cup here. So I'm going to leave that there like that if I can. Let's see. It's a small cup. Right. Meantime, got my... Let's prepare some milk in here, just so I can have some warm milk. Get that turned on. And actually that little cup doesn't leave much room for milk, but it's... There's my little espresso. And there we go. Done. Good.